अस्सलाम वालेकुम इंस्टाग्राम के बंदों। बे भैया मोदी जी ने तो पूरा दिल ही तोड़ दिया। पहले रियलिटी शो जैसा पूरा सस्पेंस बनाया, उसके बाद कोई टास्क ही नहीं दिया।
इस वीडियो को देख रहे सभी लोगों को मेरा सादर चरण स्पर्श।
If you are one of those people who looks at Instagram for news, not that you should be looking at Instagram for news, but if you do, then you might have come across Saloni. You haven't? Well, you might have come across Nazma Api then. Yes, they're one and the same. Saloni, who has an opinion on everything, from the PM Cares Fund, to the Janta curfew, to the CAA, to the lockdown in general. Whatever matters, whatever is relevant today, she has an opinion on everything. Hi Saloni.
Hi.
So Saloni, tell us about yourself. You're doing 1-minute videos on current issues which are affecting us all. So where did you get this idea from? How did you start? Tell us about the process.
So I am a 20-year-old undergrad student. If Corona wouldn't have happened, I would have been a graduate by now. So I started all of this in 2017 when I first went for college in Delhi. So my parents bought me a phone. Earlier I didn't have it. So I started making, I used to, the first video I saw on Instagram was of Mallika Duas. I never knew that you can also post videos on Instagram. I thought it was just about pictures. So I thought maybe I can also do this. So it was in December or November, I think, I made my first video. It was about that birthday thing which goes like कि एक महीने पहले से लोग अपने फ्रेंड्स के बर्थडे का स्टेटस नहीं डालने लग जाते हैं. 28 days to go, 29 days to go. So it was about that. It was a rant. I started with a character called Pinky Dogra. Earlier, Snapchat used to have that filter with big mouth. I don't know if it's still there. So I used that. Yeah. So that was my first character, Pinky Dogra. She would rant about anything and everything. Whatever I used to see in metro. As I went to Delhi for the first time to live there, I visited quite some time. But yeah, that was my first time to be living alone without my parents. So whatever difficulty I faced, I used to say that in my videos. That was it. But in 2018, the second character, which was of Nazma Api, which is quite popular now, that happened. It was around Eid, so I thought of making a video around Eid preparation. So I thought if I do it with a Muslim woman's character, it would look more relatable. So my brother and I sat down and we discussed some names and we finally did it as Nazma Api.
बे भैया वैसे तो चाइना का माल इतनी जल्दी खराब हो जाता है, पर ये कोरोना वायरस तो जाने का ही नाम नहीं ले रही है। नहीं वैसे तो हमारा फॉरेन ट्रिप का कोई प्लान बनता नहीं है, पर भैया हम अपनी औलाद को ऐसे प्लेन दिखाने ले जाते थे एयरपोर्ट पे, अब तो वहां जाने में भी डर लग रहा है।
So Saloni, you have a strong opinion on a lot of things. From the CAA to the PM Cares Fund, you speak about everything and everybody. Do you think it might offend someone or it might cause some sort of backlash? How do you deal with that? How do you deal with that probability?
See, I make videos on everybody. If I am saying something about the government, I'll say something about the opposition too. I am a satirist. I am a comedian. I am allowed to joke on everybody. This is a free democratic country. We are allowed to do that, and people get offended on everything. Like if I am saying something about my family, even someone will get offended from the audience. कि तुमने अपनी मम्मी के बारे में ऐसे कहा. लोग तो अभी ऐसा भी हो गया. They are so filled up with rage that sometimes it just gets out on some wrong person. So I just don't care about trolls and everything. Like the best way to deal with them is to not deal with them at all. They are just keyboard warriors. At first, it got to me like when people started trolling me. Earlier, I used to go to any interview. I used to say कि if people are getting offended on jokes, then there is nothing left in it. Because I didn't get the trolls till then. But when I got them, I was quite furious at first and I was really sad कि ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए था. Then my brother, he actually told me that, these are just keyboard warriors with cheap internet. It's their life. That's how they live. Commenting on others' videos and just giving them some bad energy. That's all. So I don't deal with them. I have muted my notifications on Twitter. That's where all the hate comes from. So yeah, it's good now.
लास्ट नाइट डुग्गू के अकाउंट से लॉगिन कर मैंने नेटफ्लिक्स पर देखा मनी हाइस्ट. डुग्गू कबाड़ी अब तो अपना पासवर्ड चेंज कर ले. ये शो इंडिया में इतना ज्यादा पॉपुलर है, फिर भी इसमें किसी इंडियन को लिया ही नहीं है। भाई बैंक रॉबरी में तो हमारे विजय माल्या, नीरव मोदी, ये लोग एक्सपर्ट है, बिना गोली बंदूक के करोड़ों की चोरी कर लेते हैं और तुम्हारे किसी गैंग मेंबर की जान भी नहीं जाती।
You have developed so many characters till now, like Nazma Api, obviously, which is very popular right now, to Kangana Ranaut. I saw her Money Heist video that you did recently. It was hilarious. I was laughing like crazy. So, and there's recently you have also developed this Adarsh Bahu character. So you have so many characters right now. So tell me whether you have developed it from someone you have seen in your real life, or is it something you have just thought out and developed it out of your imagination?
No, all of my comedy which I do is observational comedy. What I observe, I say in my videos. But the character itself is not inspired by someone. Like the dialect in which Nazma Api speaks is a proper thing in Old Delhi, and also from where I belong, West UP, Western UP. There are a lot of people who speak in this dialect, and my father's friends are. My father has a lot of Muslim friends, so when they used to come at home, as I'm good at impersonating them, I used to listen to how they talk, and then I catched it. And when Nazma Api's character was developed, I thought of using this dialect, and it's quite good. And like the Adarsh Bahu's character was initially inspired by my mother used to watch a serial called Sasural Simar Ka. So there was a character in it, Simar, which was the main protagonist. So whenever I used to come from tuition, my mother was watching that serial always. So I used to get very furious कि अभी तो मैं इतना पढ़कर आई हूँ, so just give me the remote and let me watch something. And my mother used to always say कि या तो तुम जाकर अभी पढ़ाई करो, अगर तुम्हें देखना है तो यही देखोगे. So I got really angry कि ये लड़की कैसी है. So I thought, why not make this as a character? And so it started with Tumar Bharadwaj, and then we progressed it, and now it's Adarsh Bahu. Like what not all, but generally like our mothers, like my mother faced or someone else's mother faced, what all things are there. So she just says this. The mother-in-law's character which I'm doing was just developed over a phone call. I was doing a phone call with my brother, and we were talking about something else, and we thought like we should introduce another character. So it just came into my mind randomly, and then we did this first video about how is mother-in-law reacting to this lockdown and what she's doing.
How do you think your parents react to your videos?
My parents are really happy when they see me on TV or they see my article in the newspaper. They get really excited. They don't understand the social media game, obviously. But when I tell them that I have reached 100k or 200k, they understand that कि यार 1 लाख हो गए बच्ची के subscriber, 2 लाख हो गए. But they don't understand कि इसका मतलब क्या है. They don't understand that, and they don't even want to. They're just happy that I am happy with the fact. But my mother always wanted me to become a banker because I took commerce in 11th and 12th. She was like, your study is going to waste. तुमने पढ़ाई की commerce के, now you're not becoming a banker. What is this? Just give her some exam at least. She still says this कि एक बार graduate हो जाओ तो please give exam for bank.
So your mother wants you to become a banker. So do you think you will pursue that line, that you will ever give the exams, and can we expect maybe some parody on bankers, some videos on them?
No, I never wanted to do that. She just wanted it because my brother also became a YouTuber. So she had a dream that at least someone should be in bank, because she used to go to bank and nobody used to listen to her. You know how bank employees are. So she was like, at least one of you should be a banker. So yeah, we never wanted to do that, and she's happy now. But she sometimes, when she's thinking that you won't have a stable income, how will you earn? When all of that mother things comes up, then she says that, you should still try to become one. I can make a video about how my mother reacts to all of this, but I don't think right now I'm in a place to act someone who is in a banker. Like, I haven't lived that life, so it won't be that relatable to many people. Yeah, but I'll try.
Instagram has a 1 minute time limit on videos. Yes, there's the option of uploading videos on IGTV as a longer format. Do you think that 1 minute video is restrictive? in the sense that yes, there's IGTV, but also people prefer uploading more on the 1 minute format because it's easier.
Yeah, it's not restricting. You have an option to upload IGTV videos. Yeah, but people tend to put 1 minute videos because their reach is quite good. They reach to many people, and people also want to watch a content which just comes and then you have a few cracks and you just leave. That's good. So I have also shifted to 1 minute videos, but I am planning to do a little longer, some longer videos on YouTube. Yeah, because you have a platform like YouTube for that. So why not just do that longer videos there only? I'm not planning to do any longer videos right now because I don't have a proper camera. I don't have a tripod. Right now, when I'm talking to you, I have placed my phone on a lot of books that have reached to this height. So yeah, but I'll do that on YouTube. I'll restrict my videos to 1 minute for now on Instagram.
What are you planning to do immediately after the lockdown ends? What more can we see from you in the future?
I wanted to perform some stand-up comedy with like at a club or something like that, but I don't think that would be possible. Abhi to they haven't still opened movie halls even, so I don't think there will be any gathering as such. So I'll try to focus on my YouTube for now because I haven't made any longer videos. So yeah, I'll do that.
So, how do your friends react to your videos? And was there someone from your childhood, your school life, your college life? Did someone inspire you to make these videos?
Yeah, nothing inspired me as such. I mean, I used to mimic everybody at school, like my friends, my teachers, my principal. There was this one teacher. His name was Nitin Govil. He used to teach us English communication. So there's nothing much in that. Just he used to teach us how to greet a person, what to say when you meet someone for the first time. So it just used to finish in like 10 to 15 minutes. What he's going to teach for a 1 hour class. So it was like he used to play games with us. So someone once told him that Saloni mimics people really well. So he actually, encouraged me to pursue this, and because he thought that I was good at it. I used to mimic him also. So he was like that you impersonate me so well. Maybe you can impersonate some Bollywood actors or some politicians, something like that. So yeah, he was the one who at first encouraged me. Then my friends were there. They were also saying that, you impersonate Kangna so well. So the first video I did on Kangna was only audio. I thought that maybe if I use my face for her, people will think that, you don't look like her. So आवाज भी बिल्कुल वैसी नहीं लग रही है. So I thought if they just focus on the voice, they'll love it more. Then I did a review of Panga. Kangna reviewed her movie herself, so people really enjoyed it. Then I bought a wig from Amazon, and now people say that you look Kangna more than Kangna herself. My schoolmates, I had only 2 friends when I was in school, so yeah, they have been there for me for like ever since I started doing this. So they have seen my journey, so they haven't reacted like, oh my God, Saloni, achanak se sab ho gaya. They know that I worked really hard for this and I was doing this for past 2 years. So it has, it hasn't come like overnight, kuch nahi hua hai. So they haven't reacted like that. But my college friends, they didn't know me at first. So they are like, हमें तो पता ही नहीं था तुम ये सब करती हो. So when the first interview, which was quite a big interview, was with Indian Express. So when they read that article, they were like, "Ki Saloni, ye tum hi ho na?" They posted they used a picture of me as Nazma Api. So at first they were like, "You are that you are Saloni, and the article tumhare upar hi hai." So yeah, some of them even react like when I go to college. There's this one girl. I would also like to name her Ragini. She's my friend, and she always comes like running towards me, and she's like, "Ma'am, haath milao, autograph." Ye sab. She's a full-on drama. She gives me celeb pills all the time.
You have got a lot of attention due to your videos right now. So as a student, as a 21st century woman, how are you dealing with the sudden attention?
Normal, I haven't really, I haven't faced anything like that कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ अब इस attention से. It's quite normal for me, and I have just received attention on social media. Like जब से मैं famous हुई, ever since lockdown में ही है सब कुछ. So nobody has come to click selfies with me and I'm allergic to dust, so I used to wear a mask before too. अभी तो सभी पहनने लगे हैं, मैं पहले से ही मास्क लगाती थी, so nobody ever stopped me and took a selfie with me, so I haven't got that feeling अभी तक तो yeah, maybe lockdown के बाद when people see me I'll get that feeling और तब मैं थोड़ा इस आंसर को अच्छे से दे पाऊंगी.
Thank you so much, Saloni, for joining us today. It was really nice speaking to you.
Thank you.
If you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit like and subscribe. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and don't miss another update from edX Live.